Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to access other metrics to display on your dashboard feed here in Google Ads. In order to do that, we simply need to head over to the campaign section on the left hand menu bar in your dashboard and click on it. From here, we want to identify the campaign which we want to access stats and other information for. And once you have arrived at that campaign, we want to navigate to the right-hand menu bar until we see the metrics button. Once we have arrived here, we can click on the menu bar and we can find the metrics that are available for us to see. So for example, if we want to click down and see interactions, for example, average cost per click, average CPM, and click-through rate and engagement rate, we can now see that these columns are going to appear in our stats. So we click on the blue apply button down at the bottom, and once the refresh has been done, we can now click on the across button and we can see that the information that we have requested is now appearing on the top menu bar. If you want it to appear at the bottom next to the settings here for the campaign and ad group, just simply click on the columns button and click on modify columns. This will then allow you to modify the columns so that you can see the full information showing up and visible in the dashboard right next to the campaign and campaign ad group as well as the ad itself. So here's the information appearing down at the bottom. Hope you found this video nice and useful. Hit that like button if you did, and have a fantastic day, everybody.